Hello. In this demo, you'll learn how to create and follow up on new sales appointments in Connect. Let's start with creating a new sales appointment. From the Account page, click the New Sales Appointment Quick Action button. The New Sales Appointment pop-up opens. The subject field can be changed to be more descriptive if you wish. For this example, I'm going to leave the default subject of Sales Appointment in place. Next, I'll set the start date and time for the appointment, and the end date and time if needed. Note, the system adds a default end time of 2 hours after the start time. Choose the location of the appointment from the options available. In this example, I'll choose SCI location, because I am providing a park tour. I'll also make a short note of this in the description field. Since I've previously added other accounts as a relationship of this account, I have those other accounts available on the screen to be quickly added as additional attendees. I'll click the checkbox next to James, New's spouse, to indicate that he will also be attending the appointment. Once this appointment is created, it will also appear on James's account. If I had not previously created a relationship between James and New, I would need to use the Add Non-Listed Attendee button to search for James's account or add him as a new account. In this case, I have everyone added that will be attending the appointment, so I'll click Add and Return to Account to save the new sales appointment. I'll see the new sales appointment listed in the appointments for the account, including all of the accounts who will be attending the appointment. Connect makes it very easy to log the results of a sales appointment through an automatic pop-up window. Any account with a sales appointment scheduled for a date and time that has already passed will appear in the Accounts Requiring Appointment Follow-up component on the home screen. Clicking on the account name opens the Appointment Follow-up pop-up. Note, if I were to click on any account in Connect with an appointment that has already passed, this Appointment Follow-up pop-up will open. No additional action may be taken on the account until the appointment follow-up is completed. Back to our example. Connect assumes that the appointment status is completed, though that can be changed to canceled if the appointment did not actually occur. Add notes to describe the outcome of the sales appointment. Then scroll down to update the rating of each opportunity on the account. In this example, Amanda has completed a contract for cemetery property and cemetery merchandise and services, so I've updated the rating to Pending Sale for both. I could also update the amount for both opportunities to the actual amount purchased. Note, if the HMIS contract and the contract account had synchronized before I completed the appointment follow-up step, the ratings on these opportunities would display as 1, and the actual amounts would already be updated. Because Amanda indicated no interest in pre-planning her funeral services, I've updated the rating on her funeral services opportunity to cold. I can also update Larry, the other appointment attendee, from the same follow-up window. If additional attendees were present but were not part of the original appointment when scheduled, they can be added here as well. I can add both existing and new accounts to the appointment from here. With all opportunities and attendees updated, click Save to return to the primary account. The information for all opportunities has now been updated based on the appointment follow-up, and the status of the appointment has been updated. Note, this process will also update the opportunity status for all attendees and add the appointment note to their accounts. This concludes the Sales Appointment Management demo. You now know how to create a new sales appointment and add attendees to it. You also know how to follow up on an appointment, setting the appointment status, adding notes, and updating the opportunity status for all attendees.